Why is yawning from shaitan? Because yawning is a sign of laziness. And shaitan would wish that everyone becomes lazy, so they can't do anything. Shaitan wishes that everyone just stays, relaxing at home, doing nothing, no benefit, waste your life. That's what he wishes. Humans were not created in this world for the purpose of relaxing and comfort. And the contentment that an individual will find in actually exerting effort and doing work is such contentment and happiness. He won't find that type of joy in just simply relaxing and doing nothing. Because this culture of continuously going on vacations and trying to just enjoy life and so on and so forth, this actually destroys a person from within. That's not the reason why Allah created us in this world. And so it actually makes you depressed from within.